Congratulations, you've just been given a Scholly Code and you have access to Scholly for free for an entire year. I'm going to show you 3 easy steps how to plug in the code and start winning scholarships. First, you're going to go to the web app search.myscholly.com/register. You can see that here. You're going to put in email address and password. Take into your profile. You're going to fill out this information real quick as accurately as possible. You have to fill out each field. After I put in what I'm hoping to win with Scholly, click continue. Now you're going to fill out your categories real quick, and these are the categories that you're going to fill out unique information about yourself. It's over 700 of them. Anything from extracurriculars to things that you're interested in outside the classroom, employment history, things about your parents, certain hardships. Once you fill out this information, you will then plug in the code, and you'll be ready to go. Alright, you've now filled in the categories about who you are to get matched with scholarships. You'll see that you only have a few scholarships available, and then you hit the paywall. So instead of actually paying money, this is where you see your Scholly Code. And I don't know if your grandma gave this to you, your principal or guidance counselor. Just copy it, enter the code, get started, and you're all set. Welcome to Scholly.